So many people's credit scores have taken a hit in this economy, but for some, there's a way to boost it fast, and doing so can save them thousands of dollars in the long run. Deborah Davenport stumbled over a great deal on a house recently and knew she wanted to buy it.
I was looking for the best rate I could get on a mortgage.
Not liking the interest rate she was offered when the mortgage company saw her credit report, she went to a credit expert for advice on how to bump her score up in a hurry. His #1 tip, pay off a credit card. She owed $500 on it. It wasn't a bunch of money in her case, but because the card limit was only $700, it ruined her credit to debt ratio, which had a direct impact on her score.
So just by paying that $500 and now putting that card into a zero balance, it lowered my ratios.
But she couldn't wait for the payoff to be reported to the credit agencies, something that happens automatically every 30 to 45 days. So she had her lender request a rapid ReScore. What's that?
Rapid rescoring is essentially an unscheduled update to the information on your credit report.
Credit.com's John Alzheimer says mortgage lenders hire outside companies to do a quick update. They can also work with you to quickly correct inaccuracies on your report, and that can make all the difference.
It could take someone that's not qualified right now and get them to that credit score level where they can qualify for a mortgage, or it might be able to get them to a level where they're going to be able to qualify for a better interest rate.
Once you've done what it takes to fix your accounts, your loan officer or broker can request the rapid ReScore. And it does cost some money, generally about $30 for each account for each bureau. So an update to one card could be $90. And it may not always improve the score enough to get the loan approved. But it worked for Davenport, not just with her mortgage, but other loans too.
And I'm able to get better rates on other cards and other types of loans, even my car loan.
Right now, Rapid ReScore is used almost exclusively by mortgage lenders or brokers. You can't do it on your own, but we can all improve our score over time.
Actually, look at your credit report.
Robin Thompson runs BudgetWise Consulting. Because your credit score is based on your credit report, she says be sure to pull your free copies at annualcreditreport.com. Now, here's a breakdown of what your score is made up of. The largest part, paying your bills on time.
Now, with so many people having been out of work, might have skipped payments, if you're back on your feet, make sure that you catch up and begin to pay those bills on time. Those are going to go a long way towards increasing your credit score.
The next biggest chunk, what you owe versus how much credit you have.
If you're a person that has a lot of credit cards, one of the first things that you need to do is look at those cards that are maxed out or very close to the credit limit, because that's 30% of your credit score in terms of the ratio of the amount of debt that you're carrying to your credit limit.
Ideally, you want your balance below 30% of your credit limit. Because credit history also factors into your score, about 15%, don't be so quick to close accounts. Keep them open, but use them infrequently. New credit and the types of credit you have make up the rest of your score. Some small moves can make a big difference in repairing a score beaten down by tough times. We've provided more information about credit scores and how you can improve yours on our website at WXYZ.com. And remember, when it comes to Rapid ReScore, because it's only available through a lender or broker, watch out for companies that market directly to consumers. I'm Joanne Purton, Channel 7 Action News.
Good.